In this series of AI videos, I have also done a series of hands-on videos. So this video will summarize these hands-on videos. Okay. So first of all, for hands-on, I preferred local Ollama because you don't need any subscription, right? Different providers have different subscriptions like OpenAI, Anthropic, Azure, so on and so forth. So I preferred a local model, right? So for that, Ollama is a popular software. Okay, so this first video called Custom LLMs talks all about that, right? I mean, what are custom LLMs, right? What are different ways you can host them locally, right? How Ollama is kind of, a very good software for doing it. Okay, so that is the first video. Second one is basically when you have LLM, right? It gives you output, right? Which could be unstructured like text, right? Now, if it is in the series of like uh, chains that you have built to give your final application, you may want this output to be structured, right? So this is what this video talks about: how to generate a structured LLM output so that it can be given as an input to some other computer program to consume it down the line. Okay. The third one is a multimodal input, right? I mean, this one basically says that if you have basically input of an image, right, which you may want to give, right, then you can do that, right? So all these videos you can see in my AI uh, playlist. Okay. So basically you can say, you can give an image and say, okay, like, describe what that image is, right? So that can happen with multimodal input, right? uh, you can give audio, video, right? All multimodal inputs are possible, right? The next one is the OpenAI Agents SDK. I mean, with all this talk of AI agent, multi-agent, right? OpenAI has come up with an agent SDK where it's very easy to develop a program, multi-agent program, right? So this again, OpenAI Agents SDK, I have installed locally and I have used it with local Ollama. Okay. The next one is a code agent, right? So where for coding, to make code as a first class citizen, Hugging Face has really small agents, right, which has a code agent, right? So this particular video code agent video demonstrates that. It shows like uh, an example of that, how can it operate with a data frame. Okay. So all the code is available on my GitHub, right, under this Ollama folder, right? In my GNA repository under Ollama folder, we'll see all the code, right? So the first one would also have like a simple things like, how do you invoke a LLM in Ollama, right? How do you invoke a chain in Ollama, right? uh, then how to make that Ollama compatible with OpenAI API, right? With this class called OpenAI from OpenAI, right? Giving a base URL and on that. Okay. Now one more hands-on video I have done, but that is not with local Ollama. It is with Microsoft Azure OpenAI, right? It is a resume screening, right? How do you screen a resume, right? It's kind of described that. You can also see that in one of my hands-on videos, resume screener. Okay. And basically for this, you can also see the code on GitHub, right, which is in a different repository. So since it is using LangChain, it is under LangChain, right? And the resume screener is the code for that. Okay, so I hope you enjoy these hands-on videos. You get to try them out, right? And good luck with your uh, sort of experiments with AI. And if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and looking forward to talking to you with more videos coming soon.